In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add description on YouTube on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and after you are logged in, tap right here at library and then your videos. That will show you the list of all your videos on the channel, and then we need just to tap at these three dots next to some video and select edit. That's where we can easily find the description, and now we can edit that description. We can add a new one if it is blank, so I can just remove the entire text from here, and then I can enter new one up to 5,000 characters. Once we've done with that, we can go out of here, and to save the changes, don't forget to hit add save. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.